When it comes to textile, it is about cotton, it is about jute, it is about silk, and it is about wool. Hello everyone, I am Soumyasdiary. Welcome to Soumyasdiary. There was a question in UPSC. The theme of the question was why Britishers could not destroy Indian textile sector. Out of many reasons, one simple reason is the logistics cost. British used to purchase raw material from India, manufacture in home country, and again they used to sell in India. Though they had the benefit of saving in mass production, it was counterbalanced by logistics cost. Another factor was Indian artisans were skilled. Their handloom were world famous. Thus, textile sector has an inherent linkage with agriculture, culture and tradition in India. In fact, India is the second largest manufacturer and exporter of textile product in world. In international trade, India has a share of 5%. Indian mill sector is the second largest in the world, and traditional sectors like handloom, handicraft, small-scale powerloom unit are the biggest source of employment. Thus, agriculture, skilled and unskilled employment, culture and tradition, foreign currency makes the sector unique. Hence, development in this sector can contribute to the inclusive and participative development of the country. Then, how to develop this sector? When it comes to textile, it is about cotton, it is about jute, it is about silk, and it is about wool. So, different raw materials for different sectors. There is need of harmonious growth among these sectors. For that, raw material availability should be there. Further, to increase efficiency, technological upgradation must be carried out. Simultaneously, capacity and skill of workers must be developed. Social benefit should also be given to ensure better quality of life. Moreover, external market creation should be there to support domestic industry. Ministry of Textile aims to work in this direction. So let's discuss the key initiatives of the ministry. As we understood that to develop a sector, we need to provide input management, then process management, then marketing management, and finally creation of international market, that is for export. Now, keeping this framework in mind, let's discuss about the initiatives of the ministry. So the first one is raw material support. Cotton Corporation of India is the nodal agency for performing minimum support pricing operation for cotton. Then Jute Corporation of India performs minimum support pricing operation as well as direct purchasing or packing of food grains. For procurement of jute, a software platform JUTE-SMART is used. Similarly, Jute-IACRE has been launched for increasing income of jute farmers by using certified seeds and modern agronomic practice and microbial consortium. National Jute Board performs activity related to promotion of jute sector. Then there is an integrated scheme for development of silk industry known as Silk Samagra. It is implemented by Central Silk Board. It focuses on research and development, training, transfer of technology, seed organizations, and coordination and market development, technological upgradation. Steps are also taken to promote automatic reeling machine under the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan scheme. Similarly, for wool sector, there is integrated wool development program. It will promote the development of wool sector by fulfilling essential requirement of all stakeholders like formation of cooperative, machine ship sharing, strengthening of wool marketing. Let's discuss about technological upgradation. Here we have Amended Technology Upgradation Fund Scheme. This is a credit-linked capital investment scheme. Under this, Ministry has notified scheme for production and employment linked support for garmenting units to incentivize production and employment generation. Similarly, Powerloom sector development scheme has been modified to accommodate new developments like solar energy scheme, Pradhan Mantri Credit Scheme for Powerloom weavers. The modified scheme is known as PowerTex India. Now let's discuss about infrastructure support. For development of manpower, new skill development scheme is there. Then we have integrated textile park, under which financial support up to 40% is given for infrastructure development. Then we have integrated processing development scheme. It is to consider the process upgradation to technology that will reduce environmental damage. To develop new entrepreneurs, scheme for incubation apparel sector is there. Then let's discuss about marketing. Brand name and logo for Indian cotton is initiated by Ministry known as Kasturi Cotton India. Similarly, for jute, bring your own bag campaign is initiated to replace plastic bag. Jute fair is also organized to support artisans. A digitized skill marketing concept, Race Mandi, is developed. It is a private firm offering hassle-less transaction to silk. Similarly, Silk Mark of India is promoting the silk products in private platform like Amazon for 100% silk product with the silk mark. In wool sector, promotion of Deccani wool and Pashmina wool is done for branding. Now let's discuss about export promotion. In order to increase the competitiveness of apparel and made of exports, an IT-driven script system is there under a rebate for state and central taxes and levies. Similarly, there is an anti-dumping duty on purified terephthalic acid. It was increasing the cost of final output, that is MMF fibers, thus losing competitiveness at international market. Thus, anti-dumping duty was removed to improve the competitiveness of the product in the international market. Similarly, anti-dumping duty was removed on acrylic fiber. Then we have focused product incentive scheme. In order to increase the competitiveness of Indian product and to promote Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, product linked incentive scheme is approved. The scheme for textile sector is known as focused product incentive scheme. It focuses on man-made fiber apparel and technical textiles. Then we have technical textiles. Technical textiles means textile having usage in other industries like automobile, agriculture and healthcare. This is a sunrise sector. Incubation centers have been established to promote entrepreneurship in this area. There are various components under National Technical Textile Mission. Let's explore those. So the first one is research, innovation and development. It has two dimensions, that is fundamental research and research on application based. This research will be promoted. Second one is for market promotion, international technical collaboration, investment promotion and accommodation of Make in India policy. Then the third component is export promotion. An export promotion council will be set up for effective coordination and promotional activity. The fourth component is related to education, training and skill development. The mission will also focus on usage of technical textile in other flagship schemes. Then now let us discuss about the sectoral schemes. So the first one is Powerloom sector. Powerloom sector is the most important sector for fabric production and employment generation. Under Mudra scheme, entrepreneurs and weavers avail concessional credit. A portal called Handloom Weaver Mudra portal is there for online claim, disbursement of margin, money interest and subsidy, then credit guarantee fee. We also have a block level cluster program to provide financial assistance. Also, there is a comprehensive handloom cluster development scheme for development of mega handloom cluster. India Handloom brand is launched to endorse the quality of products. The tag is attached to high quality, defect free products. Similarly, Handloom mark is tagged to Handloom product, not the Powerloom products. Then come to handicraft product. Handicraft sector provides employment to craft person in rural and semi-urban areas. It also generates foreign currency and preserve cultural heritage. Office of the Development Commissioner implements various schemes for promotion and development of handicraft sector under National Handicraft Development Program and Comprehensive Handicraft Cluster Scheme. So that's all for today. Meet you tomorrow with another video. Thank you very much for your precious time. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Such value added content, stay connected to me.